Hey guys, let's play a game, and it is a COVID-19 card game. Let's do it. So, out of these 52 cards, 9 have COVID-19. So let's just quickly just get out 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna put it into piles of 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we're gonna roll dice, which I don't have dice, but I will have you can use a random number generator 1 through 6, and then it's gonna give me 5. The bottom card, the 9 of hearts, is your grandpa. Put it on top. So yeah, so like this. I put it at 9 right here on top of the second deck. So the last card like this. So the format is this 9 of hearts. The 9 of hearts. So we're going to spell 9 of hearts. N-I-N-E O-F hearts. H-E-A-R-T-S. And then we're going to spell virus. V-I-R-U-S. The 9 of hearts died because he didn't stay in quarantine. Stay safe, everybody, and stay home. Don't go outside. Stay home, and see you in the next video. Peace. If you want more tricks like this, check out TikTok. Check out the TikTok for pages that card tricks you can get. And then, yeah, see you guys. Goodbye. There'll be a tutorial to how to do that video that I just did, so stay tuned for that tomorrow. And then just stay home, have a great day, have a rest great of your life, enjoy your life right now, and then just stay safe, stay home, don't go outside, be safe, and then see you guys. Peace.